Notes on financial markets. Class 12 Business Studies. Financial market. Financial market is a link between savers and the borrowers. Financial market helps to establish a link between savers and investors by mobilizing fund between them. Functions of financial market. Mobilizing of saving. It is an allocative function of financial market that it facilitates transfers of people saving to investors. Price fixation. Price is determined by from the forces of demand and supply. The interaction between demand and supply helps to establish a price of for financial asset. Provides liquidity to financial asset. Shareholders can sell their share easily through mechanism of financial market. Reduce the cost of transactions, provide valuable information to buyers and sellers of financial assets, and helps in saving time, money, and efforts. Classification of market. Capital market. It refers to all the organization, institution, and instruments that provide long-term funds. The instruments used in capital markets are equity, preference shares, and debentures. Second, primary market. Primary market is a market in which security is sold for the first time. The securities issued are equity shares, preference shares, and debentures. Method of issuing securities in primary market. Initial public offer. If a company wants to issue capital to the public through the online system of stock exchange has to enter in an agreement with stock exchange. This is called initial public offer. Offer through prospectus. This involves inviting subscription from the public through issues of prospectus. A prospectus is a document inviting deposits from the public for the subscription of any shares or debentures. Offer for sale. The securities are not issued directly to the public but offered to the public for sale through stockbrokers. Private placement. Under this method, securities are allotted to institutional investors and some selected individuals. Right issue. This is special facility given to existing shareholders to subscribe a new issue of share according to the terms and condition of the company. Third, secondary market. The stock exchange is known as the secondary market for securities. In this markets, existing securities can be traded. Money market. Money market is a market for lending and borrowing of short-term funds. It is a major source of finance for working capital. It includes institutes like RBI, commercial banks, etc. Instruments of money market. Call money. It is used by banks, insurance company and financial companies. Under this bank lends cash from 1 or 2 days to the other banks that are in shortage of cash. It is repayable on demand with maturity period of 1 to 15 days. Treasury bills are issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India for a period of 14 to 364 days. These bills are very popular and has no interest is paid on these bills. Issued at a minimum of 25,000 and are called zero coupon bond. Trade bills. They are drawn by one business firm on other business firm. Normal duration is 90 days. Such bills are freely transferable and can easily be discounted from banks. Commercial paper. It is issued by the public private sector companies with good reputation. It is an unsecured promissory or notes issued with fixed maturity period up to 12 months. It provides short-term funds for seasonal and working capital needs. Certificate of deposits. They are unsecured short-term instruments issued by commercial banks and financial institutions during period of tightly liquidity when deposit growth of banks is low and demand of credit is high. Functions of stock exchange. Ready marketability, valuation of securities, capital formation, safety of investment, issue of new securities, control on company management. Basis of difference. Size, security stated and objectives. NSEI and OTCEI. NSEI, over the counter exchange of India, paid up capital rupees 30 lakh or more. NSEI paid up capital is 3 crore or more, equity shares, debenture, treasury bills, etc. OTCEI, equity shares, debentures, etc. Objectives. The objective of any NSEI is establishing single stock exchange at national level. The objective of OTCEI is providing listing facility to small companies. Securities and Exchange of Board of India (SEBI) is a corporate body having separate legal existence and perpetual succession. Objectives of SEBI: protection of investors, steady flow of savings, control over brokers, transparency in transaction, fair practices by issuers. Function of SEBI: regulating functions, developmental functions, protective functions. Thank you. सर होगा